Hello, my dear friends. Today, I hope you are happy and healthy. I'm going to talk about something very important today. It's about my family and the people in it. We will also learn English together at the same time. It's really simple to learn this, so calm down, pay close attention, and try to talk to me. You can repeat what I say to get better at English. About my family. My family is small and happy. The most important thing in my life is my family. I love my family a lot. My family is made up of 4 people. We are happy and at peace with each other. We always help each other out. My family loves me, cares for me, and keeps me strong. In English, you can also use these to talk about your family. My dad. I want to talk about my dad. Listen carefully and repeat after me. It's true that my dad works really hard and is honest. He works every day so that our family can live. He gets up very early, he works all day and is tired when he gets home. He always has a smile on his face, though. I learn many good things from him. I learn from him how to be honest, kind, and strong. His advice is always to work hard and never give up. I really look up to my dad. I look up to him. You can use these words to get better at talking. My mom. Let me now talk about my mom. Talk to me sometime. My mom is the center of my family. She cares about others and is very kind. She looks after everyone in the house. We love the food she makes for us. When I'm having trouble, she helps me. She always knows what I mean. She makes me happy when I'm sad. She makes me feel better when I'm tired. I love my mom more than anything else. She's very important to me. These lines are great for everyday English use. My sister. Let me now talk about my sister. Listen and say it again. I have a sister. She's adorable, nice, and beautiful. She makes my life better. I'm very happy when I see her smile. She likes to have fun and laugh. She talks funny every once in a while. She does slip-ups now and then, but it's very cute. My sister and I have a great time together. She makes my life better. You can use these words to talk about your family. Our daily lives. We do a lot of things together every day. Let's work on these lines together. We get up early in the morning. We do easy work to start the day. We all eat breakfast together. We talk about what we're going to do today. We spend time together in the evening. We talk while we sit. We both feel the same way. We watch TV together sometimes. We go for walks every once in a while. Little things like these make life beautiful. These sentences will help you talk English in real life. Love and help from family. My family is always there for me. They're always there for me. They pay close attention to everything I say. They understand how I feel. They are there for me when I need help. When things get tough, they never leave me by myself. They work with me to solve my problems. They make me strong when I feel weak. They make me want to do better. I have hope and faith in them. Good morals are taught to me by my family. They teach me how to love, respect, and wait. They show me the right way to go. They make me a better person. I feel strong and sure of myself because of my family. They make me feel safe and happy. I'm blessed to have a family that loves me so much. You can use these lines to get better at talking about how you feel in English. Why having a family is important. We value our family a great deal. Our family is our first school. Our family teaches us a lot. We love our family. Family is there for us. Family makes us happy. Family takes care of us and keeps us safe. Money can go away and come back, but family stays with us all the time. We always have family with us, good times and bad. That's why we should always love and value our family. We need to look after our family. We need to hang out with them. These lines are great for getting better at speaking. Friends, this is the end of today's movie. I hope this easy lesson about family was fun for you. Also, I hope you learned some simple, useful English today. I hope this movie makes you feel better about your English words. Remember these lines and use them every day. Don't forget that family is the best thing in life. We might be busy all the time. Our family is always there for us, even when things go wrong. They make us smile and feel good. These people love us, help us, and never leave us alone. They're always there for us, no matter what. Their love helps us keep going. Don't forget to honor your parents, take care of your family, and spend time with them every day. Talk to them, pay attention, and try to understand what they're saying. Give your family extra love every day, because one day you'll see that these little things are the best memories you have ever had. You will always remember these times. If you want to improve your English, don't worry about making mistakes. Every day, speak simple English. Try to learn this lesson over and over. Use a mirror to help you improve your speaking. Slow down and be clear. In real life, use these words. Not being afraid to talk in front of other people. Having confidence takes work. You will get better over time. Have faith in yourself. It's possible. Always learn new things and practice every day. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you like this movie. Talks in Smooth English. Tell your family and friends about this movie. Support my station to get better at everyday English that is easy to learn. Thank you so much for your help. Thanks for watching. Take care of your family and yourself. Have fun and smile all the time. We'll see you next time. Have a great day and goodbye.